Hello guys, I'm back. So today I'll be using our lithium batteries. Here they are. I'll be powering this solder gun. As you can see, there's some red light. Yeah. So I'm powering it with this 300 VA inverter, and as you can see, nothing else is powering it. It's just directly connected to it. Here it is. So I'll be using it. I'm still testing the lithium cells if they can work. So this one is rated for at least it's only 30 watts, not much. Yeah, so currently I have a power blackout, that's why I'm using it. So now I'll be using it to repair this small katululu here. Aka katululu niliokota kwa barabara today. I think ilikuwa imeanguka na mso pikipiki. No, when I turn it on, it turn on, but it can display nothing, so I can't reach the owner. So nataka nipigie mwenyewe after I open it so that I can retrieve the contacts. Nikimpata nimwambie katululu kake ni mimi niko nako antafute, ama tutafutane, I'll just take it back to him. But meanwhile I need to repair the screen. So now I'll be showing you how to repair the screen as well. So as you can see, can I turn on? Yes. So I got this screen from Mobitop upper town. One of these screens at a quite affordable rate. So here is the screen. It's LCD, as you can see, ni kampia. So I'll be showing you how to solder it. So first you need to power off your katululu. Mata tutoe mawe. You need to open it up. Haya, acha tufungue. So acha tukafungue. Already done the screws. Sorry, we have like 4 screws. I'll just take them back. So now let's remove the SIM cards. Tuziweke kando. Remove the front LCD cover like that, and here is our screen. And from, I don't know if you can see, but from my side I can see it's already shattered. So now we need to remove it. Peel off this black thing. To try keypad to avoid inconveniences. Just like that. Yes, kamelala. So now tunatoa protective tape kwa hapa juu like that, kio inakuwa inaonekana. So as you can see, ni easy to vitu very tiny. So hapa ndo tunafaa to solder. Right here we remove them and replace it na hii. Yes. Let's start. So now let's test our soldering iron and see if it's okay. And here we go. Shakuwa moto. Yeah. And still I'm using the lithium batteries to power it. So as you can see, there's anything else natumia. Ndo ile power cord ya inverter ya AC. Yeah, maybe you connect to the AC. Let's clean the solder flux. Then we have cleaned the tube and it's clean. So first add some solder, but it's advisable you remove the entire motherboard from the phone. So now we need to peel off this screen like this. Very simple. I'm sorry. Just like that. Don't know if you can see. And it's fully removed. Now we need to clean the entire residue. Just like that. And make sure haziguzani hata kidogo. Usiwe na short circuit. Now take the new screen, align it, just as the other one was. Make sure you align as much as possible. Haya, naguza ya kwanza, just touching it, and the last one, just like that. Haya, chukua solder yako sasa. Start doing it leg by leg. And by the way, if this video goes viral, nipate mwenye simu, I'll appreciate as well, because naweza mkosa kwa simu or phone number, but I'll appreciate. Guys, always feel free to support us by sharing our content, liking it. At least ndo Kenya tuone kama tutaenda mbele bwana. Guze leg by leg, just slowly by slowly. Brush outwards. It's okay. After you're done and you think that you see that all the legs is gonna solder, clean the solder flux from the tip of your solder gun. Make sure it's clean. Haya, now brush it even more. Hii inatoanga excess solder zenye ziko kwa joints. Okay, this process is a bit tricky kama ujui chenye unafanya, but for me I've been doing it for quite some time now. Let's do a quick checkup, and after closer checkup nimeona iko sawa, so iko sawa. So make sure you examine your solder joints zikae ziko sawa. So now rudisha hiyo the dark covering tape. Let me adjust my camera angle, adjust vizuri. Aya, hii make sure unaifold the right way, starting from the top ndo ijialign vizuri. Aya, let's give it a try. I need the battery. Yes, chukua battery, unaweka, do power it on. Guys, you know what, it's working. Kakitu kamefanya kazi. So now we've removed this old screen, tukaweka impend. You see now the katululu is working now. So guys, I'll proceed nifunge kila kitu, then I insert the SIM cards and try and search for the owner, at least nione kama atarudiwa na katululu kake, because for me I don't think it will help me. So it's fully functional, and that's how to change a screen na katululu. Still our solder inafanya, and as you can see, this is where I plugged it in. It's still on. Let me power off the inverter. You can see it's off right here. And it's powering on from this battery. And let's get the voltage to see the voltage of this battery. Power on. so it's at voltage, tuguzishe hapo. It's on road, mind you, sorry. So iko 10.35. Na hii battery isiku ati nimeicharge, it's the one that I've been using it on the videos, sijai charge. So I understand that it is workable and everything will work. So guys, I'm pushing another project and nitawaonyesha very soon. I want to make something, I'll show you. So thank you very much. Feel free to like our content and share as well. Thank you very much. Love you all.